chakra classes. So yes, Pranik, Pranik Dipti, I love that name. See, I'm telling you, I'm changing my name from Sushma Gaikwad to something so lovely. So what we were requesting is to please send in an inbox message to either Smita or me, and we will see what we can do. Okay, if there is enough of a bunch of enough mass of people who are interested, we can definitely
I can
see,
do it.
because it's a long
Yeah.
commitment.
We can organize.
Yeah. Yeah, we can see how to take it forward, and Smita will organize it. Vandana is saying, Sush, my mom came in my dream today. I saw she had COVID, and police were trying to find her. I did her. Does
She
that
had
mean a
COVID.
lot?
The mother.
Vandana is asking. No, no, no. Mom passed away a long time ago, but she comes in her
Huh.
dreams a lot for the past
Huh.
24 years. For 24
Oh,
years, her mom has been coming.
24
Yeah,
years.
yeah, her
And you
mom
didn't
has
take
been
any
coming in her
medicine for
dreams.
so long. And no heat was
Yeah.
taken for so long. You didn't find out why, who, from whoever, no nothing. I mean, that's very surprising. 24 years, a hell of a long time. That means the mother must have passed away in such kind of circumstances, which she needs a closure. The earlier you do, the better it is for her. Please, I mean, she
Yeah.
needs to be
So
told.
Vandy,
24
message on the inbox, and we'll figure out the closure. So I remember I went to, I had someone hanging on to me, and I'd gone, and there is a particular thing one can do. So please ensure you inbox me, and I will give you the response of what to do. Okay, Vandy? Yeah. Is it true, spiritual baby? Is it true that by I'm going to call you spiritual baby only? Okay, I'm not calling you by your name because I love it. Is it true that by talking about others, we accumulate their karmas? My mom always says, "जिसकी बातें करोगे, उसी के कर्मा तुम भुगतोगे." So please clarify this. Good
See
question.
the
Lovely question.
yeah. You accumulate karma spirit, whether you talk or you don't talk, whether you do or you don't do. You
Yeah.
are every minute accumulating karmas.
Yeah.
If you go on this karma trip, ये करूंगी तो कर्मा चढ़ेगा, ये नहीं करूंगी तो कर्मा चढ़ेगा, you will not be able to live. So don't
Yeah.
get into so much of a depth of everything. Like if I eat this, कर्मा चढ़ेगा. कुछ भी चीज अगर खाओ, सब्जी खा रहे हो तो सब्जी को तोड़ा है ना किसी ने, सब्जी को आपने काटा है, ये वो. So हर चीज का कर्मा चढ़ता है. I mean, कौन सा अच्छा है, कौन सा बुरा है? How the hell do we know? It's very difficult. It's very difficult. So don't get into this karma theory and all these
Yeah.
things. But of course, I will definitely not advise you to talk ill about anyone.
Yeah. No gossip.
No gossip, no judging, no bitching. I mean, all those things definitely has doesn't have good karma for sure.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
इतना सोच के करोगे, ये करो तो ये कर्मा, ये कर दो, then it's difficult to live. So don't get into this karma scene. Do what you think is best. Like
So
if now there is always a choice, Sushma, this may be even helpful for you. Like if you are stuck in two right things, two rights,
yeah.
ये भी सही, ये करूंगी तो ये सही है, ये करूंगी तो ये भी सही है. In that, at that situation, you have to weigh कि अगर ये
Yeah.
करूंगी तो इतना नुकसान होगा, लेकिन ये करूंगी तो कम नुकसान होगा. Then you choose this right and not this right. But
Got
invariably,
that.
spiritual people get into that kind of a thing कि यहाँ पे मेरी फैमिली है, यहाँ पे मेरी वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड है, तो मैं क्या करूँ, किसकी मदद करूँ?
It is always for the
You
greater good, wherever the greater good is, right?
yes, yes.
And yeah, and
So
wherever is you're resonating, what you resonate with, what's your resonance,
yeah,
no? Correct, no?
yeah, yeah,
Lovely, very
yes,
well said.
absolutely.
Thank you for that, Meeta. Thank you for that. I often get stuck in these quandaries all the time,
Yes. Yeah,
all the
most of
time.
the time it happens. Spiritual people always do get stuck into this कि ये करूँगी तो वो then the other person says कि spiritual है, मेरी मदद नहीं की, ये बोलेगा. So that is the repercussion. You have to go through it, but it is your choice finally, because you can't do two rights at one
Someone
time.
just in the morning told me, a very good well-wisher told me in the morning, Sushma, take a day for yourself. I know you're inundated with calls and there are people, maybe you just need a time without talking to anybody, just being with yourself. So I said, this is the time you have to work. This is the time you have to answer the questions. This is the time we have to be available to those in pain. We have no,
Exactly.
we have no
Exactly.
option. We have no option, because
And at this
agar,
point, We should not even have options. Sushma, we should just
Yeah,
give as much as we can,
as well
no
as you
matter.
can. So we've got Angie saying, I have a
Yeah. What is
journal.
it?
I have updated you. Yeah, we'll have to end in a bit. I'll just see if there's any other question, and then we'll
Hmm.
take one last question. I have a
Hmm.
gratitude journal. Angie says she sent you an email. Vandy says that I feel that mom is around me. Vandy, I'll tell you, it is very important for her to move on her onward journey. You need to let go. I'm telling you that. Please let go, and I'm sure Smita is going to say just that. Uh, it
Yes.
is about
You have to
her
let go.
onward journey. It's not about you. Yeah, yeah. Because you're going to join her very soon, and you'll be like, "Oh my God, what on God's earth did I do?" Okay. I have been having dreams of my grandma passing away for the past 6 months. Same thing happened today morning. I woke up and uneasy and crying. How do I understand this or let it go? This is a question by Certainly Aish. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Certainly Aish. How does she let
What
go?
is the what is at the beginning of the sentence? I didn't get the question earlier.
That
The question
she's
was,
getting dreams of her grandmother who's passed away
ah,
6 months ago,
oh,
and she's
oh,
been
again the
dreaming
same
of
thing.
her. Yeah, how does she
Yeah.
let go?
Letting go doesn't happen so easily. The closure needs to be done. Maybe
What?
there is some guilt which is there. Maybe they asking for some kind of forgiveness, which is usually what happens in auto writing sessions. Something that they have done for which they feel guilty or whatever. So then there needs to be some kind of a closure. Then if she's coming in your dreams or if she's showing you some signs, for sure she wants to connect. For sure she wants to connect. So
Yeah.
get it done,
Just
whichever way it
please
comes.
send a message to Smita on the inbox.
Yeah. Oh, no, you don't have to come to me, but if you get anybody else who can do it for you, great. What my point is, you have to uh, let go of her. You have to set her free. Yeah, the closure has to be done.
Yeah.
She's still
So,
alive. Who's still alive? Certainly, Ash is saying, who's still alive? What is this question?
oh, mom is
She's
alive.
still
So,
alive.
are you dreaming of her when she's alive? We're not. I'm not. We're not getting it. Oh,
Huh.
she's dreaming that her grandmother's been passing away while her grandmother is still alive. Ah, now we've got it. Means a grandma is still alive, Nani is still alive, but she's dreaming that she's dying. So
Oh,
why is
she's
that
dreaming it.
happening? Thank you for
Uh,
that clarification, Aish. Thank you.
huh. No, you can pray to her soul, maybe. Or how old is her grandmom? If she's very
How?
old, then maybe she's giving her signals that she needs to pass over,
Yeah,
is what I read of it.
how old is it? How old is grandma? If you could please tell us. Certainly, I should really appreciate that. And I'd like to hear some stories from Smita, ma'am, during our Insta live. Certainly, Angie, for sure. You've got a big hi from Toronto. Please wave your hand from Jag. Smita, wave your hand. You've got a big hi from
Yes.
Toronto. Thank you so much. That's Jag. I like that name more. Where was I when all these names are? Request you both. Hi, Jags. I'm going to give you I love to give flying kisses as well.
So she's in her
We're waiting
60s.
to
Ash has replied that
60s.
she's in her 60s, her grandmom. So uh, I really would not know if a person is alive. Why is she coming into your dream and wanting to move on? I don't know that that you feeling that she wants to move on unless she is ill and her soul wants to move on, and for some reason, any of you all are probably trying to stop her, maybe. So if you do the forgiveness and ask her to forgive all of you, maybe her passing over will be easier if she's ill. But otherwise, I have no clue if she's fit and fine, and may God bless her. Maybe she's fit and fine. If why is she coming into your dreams? That clue I will not be able to give of live people who are alive. I don't
May
know
I
about it.
suggest one thing that you can do, Ash? Spend time with her. Yeah.
Yeah,
This is again a thought. It just came to me. I'm just got a download, so I'm just saying this. Maybe she's lonely. Maybe she's feeling unappreciated. Maybe she's feeling in another zone. So maybe, Aish, what I would suggest is just talk to her. Yeah, just talk
She's
to her.
fine. She's fine.
She's fine.
She's
Then just talk
fine.
to her. You know, just
Yeah.
talk to her about old times. Spend little time if you can. Like we said, you know, it's all about talking to her. And or it could also be dreams are a lot of our own subconscious also, right?
Yeah.
Don't
True.
think too much about it. Don't think too much about it. It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're in UK and she's in India, so call her, Aish. Maybe you know she just needs some personal connection. It could just be. I'm
Yeah.
just getting this download, so I'm just saying I don't know where this is
Yeah,
coming from.
and dreams. Nobody has been able to still sort out
Yeah,
what dreams. Because
yeah,
dreams sometimes happen in the earlier when you're just going off. Sometimes happens in the
yeah.
rapid eye movement. So those dreams are uh, 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 studied in a very different way. Certain dreams, when they happen when you're just about waking up, they have another meaning. So up till now,
Correct,
dreams nobody has been able to decipher. So don't depend on dreams so
correct.
much. Yeah,
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 and don't what you where you focus, your energy goes. So don't focus so much on those dreams. Focus on the reality. She's there on this planet. Take as much time as you can to give her the love, to show her she's appreciated. Spend time with her on Zoom. Yeah, because now we have Zoom. So that's a little bit. Yeah. Hi, Pratik. So we've got to wrap now. Uh,
yeah. So we'll have to
Smita.
wrap and we'll take the questions in the inbox and address them next Thursday. Inshallah,
Yeah.
we'll be
So
able to
next
do it
next
next Thursday.
Thursday at 5 o'clock, we're coming live. Yeah, next Thursday,
Yes.
5. Hi,
And if we
Deepa.
are
Hi,
late,
Pratik.
yeah, if in case we are late, we will be coming on anyway. So it might be
Yeah, yeah,
just a little aage piche, but we are coming on for sure. We're not leaving this
yeah.
and
So
leaving you
thank you,
guys.
Deepa, for joining. Thank you for all your questions. We're really humbled with you being with us right from the beginning till now. Pratik, thank you for joining us. Certainly, Ash, and a big love to Jag in Toronto. And if Vandy, I hope we were of use, all of you. We really appreciate you, and we look forward to seeing you next week at 5 o'clock. And please do send in your questions in your inbox, and we will take it next time. Yeah, so send us either Smita Jekar or Sushma Gaikwad a question, and we'll be sure to take it in our inbox. Okay,
Thank you, and thank
take
you, all
care.
of you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
See
Love you.
you.
God bless you.
Lots of love.
See you.
Bye.
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 See ya.